Hello friends, welcome to day 18 of February challenge. Today the problem is arithmetic slices. So let's see how to solve this one. So first of all, let's see what is an arithmetic slice. An arithmetic slice is a sequence of numbers in which the consecutive difference is same. So suppose this is the sequence given to us. So here the difference is 1 and here also the difference is 1. So this will be a arithmetic slice. Suppose there is one more number having the same difference 1. So what will be the number of arithmetic slice? It will be there will be two more arithmetic slices, one of length 3 and other of length 4. Okay, so total number will be 1 plus 2. Suppose there is one more element with same difference, same consecutive difference 1. Then what will be the total number of arithmetic slices? There will be 3 more arithmetic slices created, one of length 3, one of length 4 and one of length 5. So total number will be 1 plus 2 plus 3. I hope you get it. Suppose there is one more element having the same difference, consecutive difference. So in this time there will be 4 more arithmetic slices, that is 4 5 6, 3 4 5 6, 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is the concept here. So suppose we are given this array and we have to find the total number of arithmetic slices. Then what we will do, we will start from this third element and we will check if the ith element minus I minus 1th element equals to I minus 1 I minus 1th element and the difference of I minus 1th and the I minus 2th element or not. So if this condition is true, then what we will do, we will increase our answer. Answer will be equal to answer plus count. And then we will increase the count also. Okay. So suppose this we start from here and we go till here, till the last element of this array. So the loop will be for I equals to 2 to n minus 1. Okay. So in the beginning answer is 0 in the beginning. Okay, so in the beginning answer is 0. So this condition when we start, this condition is satisfied, this condition is satisfied. So what will happen, that we initialize our count from 1. So the answer will be 1 here and the difference is 1 here, also the difference is 1. This condition is satisfied, then the answer becomes answer plus count. So answer initially was 0, so the answer becomes 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then we move on to this element and we check that here also the difference is 1 and this condition is satisfied again. So this time what will be the answer? Answer will be 1 plus 2, because the count has become 2 now, because we incremented the count in the last step. So it will be 3. Then we move to this element. Here also the difference is 1. So what will be the answer? The count is here, the count is 3 now, because in the last step we again incremented the count. So the count is 3 now and the answer will be answer plus count, that will be equal to 6. Okay, and here when we move to this element, the difference is 2 and this condition is not satisfied. So what we will do, we will write the else condition and else, and what will be the statement for else? We will reinitialize the count. Okay, and now when again we move to this 9, when we move to this 9, what happens, that this condition is satisfied again and the count is 1, so the answer is increased by 1, so the answer becomes 7. Then we move here, so the difference is 1 and this condition is not satisfied, the count becomes 1. Then again this condition is not satisfied, then again the count becomes 1 and the answer remains same. Then here again the condition is not satisfied, then count is 1 and the answer remains same. Here also this is not satisfied and the answer remains same. Here the difference is 3, again this condition is not satisfied. And when we move here, this condition is satisfied, but the count is 1 here, so the answer will be incremented to 1. So the answer becomes 8 here. I hope you get it how to solve this question. So that's all. Feel free to ask any doubt if you have any. And thank you for watching. Please like the video if you learned something from it, and subscribe the channel so that you can watch more similar videos. Thank you.